Hi guys, this is Zsolt. In today's video we are going to check out the Halfords car wash and wax shampoo. According to the instructions, I would need to rinse the car off to get rid of most of the bigger dirts. Then I need to use the shampoo 1 cup full in a bucket full of warm water, and then wash it, rinse it, dry it, and so on. Now, as usual, and as you can expect from me, I'm going to try it in the snow foam lens as well. I put X amount because it doesn't specify how much I should put. Most likely if I put 5 times more, then it would be thicker. I don't care really. So I just, for the fun, try it in the snow foam cannon or snow foam lens. I will cover it, rinse it off to see how much dirt it removes on its own without any agitation and such. So now I'm just about to show you around the car how dirty it is, and then we kick off. Well, obviously it has almost literally zero foaming capability, at least in the snow foam lens, but that's also not a point that I wanted to prove. It's not even a proper usage. It's a bucket soap, not a snow foam lens soap, so just for the sake of fun I wanted to try. As expected, it doesn't really foam like much. Anyhow, now I'm just going to rinse it off, and yep, then I can do the normal bucket wash with it. As you see, the water was sort of quickly running off from most of the surfaces. The reason behind is that I was using the turtle wax hydrophobic sealant wax, and yeah, prior to this wash on the car. There is a video about that one too. I'm not sure if it comes out before or after this video, we will see, but I just wanted to show you how it behaves, or tell you how it behaves. But anyhow, now I just move the camera and I show you the car around, how much dirt left after the rinse off of the Now I can carry on with the usual drying phase, and after that we just have a walk around to see what left on the paint, if anything. Let's have a look around. Okay, well, that's the end of the video. Just to give you a quick summary, yeah, at the end of the day it cleaned the car, so in that sense it's okay. However, as it had zero foaming capabilities, and yeah, basically that's it. For the lack of foaming capabilities, I cannot recommend it to anyone hands on heart. I don't know, whilst I was using it, I had the same or similar feeling than using those very cheap supermarket chains own branded Voyu products. They are not so good. They do the trick at the end of the day with the contact wash, but honestly speaking, I'm pretty sure with a lot of hot water they would do the trick. Just the difference is how much I'm going to scratch the surface. When I used this one, I always had a bad feeling behind my back that it's yeah, that it's not something I want to use. So it had some lubrication for sure, but zero foaming. It made me not to trust this product, and honestly I cannot recommend, really I cannot recommend it to anyone. It's very cheap, but then if you want to go cheap, then spend a little bit more maybe on one of the supermarket's own branded Voyu shampoos. Even those ones would be slightly better. Or if you want to do it proper, spend a bit more on the top of that one and get a proper shampoo, the one that doesn't make you almost cry when you use it. So yep, anyway, as I said, it's clean, so I shouldn't really complain, but I don't know, I'm not convinced at all. So anyway, that's it. I personally would not recommend it to anyone. If you like the result and if you like what you see and you want to buy, please be my guest, go for it. Other than that, that's it. Okay guys, so that was it. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you didn't do it yet, and then press the notification bell so you're not going to miss any of my upcoming videos. I really would like to say a big thank you for your attention and your time that you spend watching my videos and your support. And yeah, I hope I'm going to catch you on the next one. Have a nice day. Bye bye.